hope you're doing well. In this video, I will tell you how can you change the color and the style and the text font of the pie chart within the Excel sheet. Here you can see the chart. You can change its title by just clicking here and removing the title and writing the new title like as ownership. And if you want to change the font of this, click on any of it. It will highlight all of them. Go to the home and broad it, or you can also select any font size from here, and you can change the color of the text from here like this. So same you can do with this. You can change the size of the font to make it more visible, and if you want to bold it, you can also bold it. And now it's come to the color of the pie chart. You can change the color by just clicking here, and here are some different styles, and then go to the colors and you can change the color by selecting any of the theme from here like this. You can also change the color by selecting any of the color choice of yours own. Like you can just click on the portion, then go to the fill and select any of the color you want to apply like this. It will change the color for you. So it is all about today's video, in which I have told you about the changing the font and the text style within the pie chart within the Excel. Kindly subscribe my channel in order to get aware about the new tricks I will share with you relevant to Excel and different softwares. Till next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.